The first time I was ever yelled at by a judge was a very traumatic experience. Would you like to hear about it? I was literally a week-old lawyer, brand new. Everything was scary at that time, much less getting yelled at by a judge. To add insult to injury, I was yelled at for something that wasn't even my fault, which is like life of an associate attorney 101. Every court likes to do things a little differently, and the reason I was yelled at for this one is because something was filed out of time, so later than the court would normally want. I didn't know the local rules because I was brand new, and I didn't even know or bother to look them up because it was just for a continuance request, so I didn't think it would be that involved. But apparently this court wanted them filed at least a week prior to the court date. So I get up there and I'm like, "Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here in case number whatever. I'm here in the motion to continue. We're still working on this, and so we need a continuance to another month." This judge has the voice of God. It booms. Think of the judge for My Cousin Vinny. It's that judge. Same kind of judge. The other lawyer had filed the motion too late, so I was being sent basically as the whipping boy, and I didn't even know what was about to happen. He did end up continuing the case after a very long, booming lecture to the whole courtroom about how it was late and how I need to do better as a lawyer, and I'm literally standing there with like my paper like shaking because I was only a week old. I was freaking out. He did continue the case, which it wasn't even like I was asking for a lot here. I think he was just maybe having a bad day. And I was like, "Thank you so much, Your Honor. I promise it will never happen again." Now, as a personal rule, I never file anything that's less than a week out because I'll never forget getting yelled at in court. As soon as this happened, I ran outside of the court, finished everything, went down to my car and started crying because I was so upset, and I called my boss and I was like, "I hate you and don't talk to me for the rest of the day. I can't believe you just did that to me." I'm the kind of person who only needs to be yelled at once, so that will never happen again.